My name's Tracy Lay. I'm the Business Development Manager for HSE Plus and the Well Control Academy. So HSE Plus offers safety training for the oil and gas industries, mining industries, construction, and we're also open to the public.
My name's Glenn Van Emmerich. I'm the Paramedical Security Coordinator and Operations Manager for HSE Plus. We actually put people out on the sites to actually help everyone else out and provide that safety aspect that a lot of sites are requiring now to conform with legislation. HSE Plus is also quite fortunate that we're one of the few companies in Australia that has a well control simulator, which allows people to get simulated experience on a well before even hitting the site, which allows them better experience before they get out there.
HSE Plus have got 3 training rooms. They're all fully equipped. We also have a practical area. And if you can't come to us, what we do is we've got a mobile unit. We can actually come out and see you. So we have facilities where we can actually take our mobile unit and we can set up all the training for you on your site.
The specialty with HSE Plus, and the reason why we stand out a cut above the rest, is we offer our paramedics security, we offer training in Australia wide, not just in our Brisbane office. We'll go to wherever you require it. We have qualified trainers that are very experienced within their field, and we also offer the well control systems with their own rig up the back, so they can actually get greenhorn training up there as well. HSE Plus have actually just implemented our online training system, so personnel from around the world and around Australia predominantly can actually go online and do any of our courses there that don't require a face-to-face component.
So if you've landed here at our website, please feel free to have a look around, and if you've got any further questions, give us a ring.